The defense in the Kouri Richins trial has asked for a continuance. The judge unwillingly went ahead and granted their request. Why? What have they been doing for the last 2.5 hours this morning? The defense and the prosecution are arguing over what is going to come in the transcripts of Carmen Lauber. Remember, Carmen Lauber is the housekeeper with which Kouri Richins had a transaction to purchase medication, right? Prescribed medication is what Robert Crozier said that he was doling out. The prosecution wants to put in bits of a transcript from her interviews that she had with Detective O'Driscoll. Not all of it's coming in, just portions of it to sort of bolster Carmen's statements that she made on the stand. The defense says, no way, Judge, they're cherry picking what needs to come in, and that's not fair. Either all of it comes in or none of it comes in. And the judge says, well, that's not the rules of evidence, so that's not going to happen. Some statements can come in. Do you think that they're cherry picking and not putting a full context in? So what has to happen right now? The defense is going back to the drawing board. They're going to look through all of the transcripts, which are over 900 pages. They are going to make a motion to determine what may or may not come in. They can go ahead and expand what the prosecution wants to come in, meaning any statements that she made prior or afterwards, they can expand that, but they cannot say, here is some portions from the first part, and we went all the way at the end portions. They cannot put in what they want to put in. They have to go and look at what the prosecution wants to put in. It's not, they cannot just get, they don't get a redo. Carmen Lauber was on the stand. The defense had the opportunity to examine her about these things. They also are able to redirect her, meaning she can come back. Can be back, and they can examine her about these statements as well. And that is what the judge is trying to state to them. The judge is trying so hard to be fair and impartial to both sides. So that is why there is a continuance in this case. They are continued until 1 o'clock tomorrow. What's going to happen? They're to file a motion about what they want in, and perhaps if they agree, then the prosecution's editor, video editor, is going to have to then make those changes because video is coming in. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to hear more about Kouri Richins, but right now there is no testimony pending before the court. The court is on break until 1 o'clock tomorrow.